If your Roblox Place ID isn't updating, follow these steps to make sure your game changes are reflected correctly. First, log in to Roblox Studio and open your game. Go to File, then Publish to Roblox As, and ensure you are publishing to the correct place. Using the wrong place can prevent the place ID from updating in Roblox. Next, check Game Settings, then Configure, then Basic Information. Confirm that the place ID matches the one you're trying to update. Also, make sure the latest build is saved and published properly to Roblox servers. After confirming the settings, republish the game and refresh your Roblox dashboard. If the place ID still doesn't update, log out and log back in or try publishing from a different browser. As a last step, contact Roblox support with your place ID and screenshots for assistance. That's how to fix a Roblox Place ID not updated.